We have today 2019 Audi 6A6 C8. We're doing front brake disc and pads on this car. So basically, before we do the brakes, take the cap off from the reservoir. And then how you take the brake caliper off. First of all, you remove this sensor wire and then you make it 90 degrees, twist it. There's a clip here which goes and sits in that hole there. That one there, this one. So this is a sensor wire. And before we take the caliper off, push this blade which holds the caliper, the brakes, the pads. So push it towards outside and remove it. And then when you remove this one, it comes very easily out. So the light. When you remove this, then you have two 21 mil, one here, one there. So the whole caliper comes out. And then you can easily take the pads out.